The rules for using the article the. Firstly, it is known as the definite articles. It is used before any particular person or thing that we know before. Example, the girl you saw is my daughter. The next rule for for using the article the is it is used before the names of mountains, rivers, canals, sea, ocean, bay, desert, islands, and famous buildings. Example: the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, the Ganga, the Buckingham Canal, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean. It is not used before the individual peaks of any mountains. Example: Mount. Da is used before the names of religious books. Example: the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, etc. It is also used before the names of um, directions. Example: the north, the south, the west, the east. You cannot use da before the names of any poets or writers. It is also used before the names of newspapers. Example: the New York Times, the Bombay Times, the Hindu, etc. It is used if there is adjective before any proper noun. Example: the immortal Gandhi, the great burn. It is used before the names of ships, aeroplanes, trains, etc. Example: the INS Vikram, the Gatiman Express, etc. It is used before the all and both. Example: all the best. It is used before the historical event. Example: the First World War, the Second World War. It is used before the surnames. Example: the Sharmas, the Rajputs. It is used before the names of countries, province, or any geographic areas. Example: the United States of America, the Deccan Plateau. It is used before the uh, things that are only one or that are unique. Example: the sky. It is used before the language of any country and indicates the citizen of that country. Example: the French. It shows the people of France. The Greek. It shows the people of Greece. It is used before the superlative degree and ordinals. Example: first, second, and third. For example, the best, the first. It is also used where the proper noun is used as common noun. Example: Kashmir is known as the Switzerland of India. Here, the Kashmir is being comparative to Switzerland. It is used before the comparative degree as well. Example: the harder you work, the smarter or the faster you learn. So that was all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video. If you are new, then take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.